Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also that bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up, and that's where you guys come in. If you enjoy the type of content that I make, please hit the thumbs up when you arrive. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones grow on this huge YouTube platform. So I'm thanking everyone in advance who has taken the time to hit that thumbs up. Okay guys, this is really, really exciting. I share with you all the time that with IPSY, they always come out every month with these mystery bags, and sometimes they come up with the one that's $14 that I already shared with you guys, and it was absolutely fantastic. And then it had a bag that had these charms that were even removable, like these purse charms. So cute. So if you haven't seen that, you should definitely go into my area where my videos are, and you will see it in the list of videos that I had. So far this month, I have been receiving my boxes very early, and I'm really excited to have the opportunity to share with them with you this early too, because a lot of the ones that I have purchased are still available right now, including the one that I'm going to be sharing with you, which is the $30 one. And I always tell you that I'm on the fence purchasing a mystery bag simply because, especially from IPSY, I get so much. I buy the Glam Bag, the Glam Bag Plus, and then the Glam X, and then the Shopper, and then the add-on sales, and the flash sales, and all the other sales they have in between that I always give you guys sneak peeks for. And as long as I'm sharing them with you, I'm sharing them with myself too, and they get me like they get you, because there's so many great products and so many amazing deals. And I'm always surprised when I choose to get the mystery box, because the bag always gets me. And the bag this time around, even on this one, is so unique. And there were only a couple of items that I already had before, and they're absolute winners, which means I'll be able to put them into what I call my gifts for later. So really, really excited about it. Also, we're getting so close to the 4,000 mark. And today I got so many bags and boxes delivered from the postman that it blew my mind. So I said, instead of scattering it all out, I'm going to take a few hours today and just sit down and go through them, because what I ended up doing was I opened up every single one of them prior to sitting down here to take my pictures for Instagram. My name there is True Wants with the number 2. And as I was opening them up, I was trying to figure out which box I should show today, which one tomorrow. And I started going through all that, and I said, I can't keep this a secret. Each one is better than the next. Some are still available, so I wanted to make sure to try to film as much as I could today, and then still be able to post them all today, if not tomorrow as well, and then be able to get them up as quickly as I can so that you guys will have access to this information as quickly as these arrive to me. So starting with, it comes in this full bag here. And what's ironic is I'm getting all of my mystery bags prior to my bags that I actually pay for. My Glam X did arrive in this pile, so hopefully that will be one of the videos you'll be watching as well. But like I said, I got some base boxes, I got the Glam X, I got so much stuff I can't even list them all. So I just want to get through everything, share everything with you, swatch as much as I can, and then share with you all the information. Starting with, like I said, this is the $30 bag that I got. I think I made a note for myself here. Yeah. This one was called Modern Edge Mystery Bag. They're saying this would have $188 value. They're saying it says, add a modern edge to your beauty looks with this 5 full-size faves in this limited edition mystery bag. And they're saying that they grabbed the top rated brands, and the 2 brands that were going to be in this bag were from Carmela as well as Chella. And those were 2 brands that I really, really enjoy. The best way to know if you're going to, that I think, and this is all speculation, that you will end up getting a bag that would have the same items that I chose here, is if you also purchase this bag at the beginning of May. And also if within the notes, it still said that the retail value is $188 and that the brands will be Carmella and Chella. What a couple of you wrote to me in the comments, and I thought that was a great tip, is if those names change or the retail value changes, that means that probably the items in the mystery bag will change as well. but the bag might still be available, the outside bag. And that's usually based on the picture that is there. So this is the picture of what the bag was, but you can never know until you get it in person. It is a completely plastic bag, but it is just as beautiful in person. And these are the type of bags I love to travel with, so that if anything spills or anything, you don't have to worry, because there's no lining or anything. It is all completely plastic. But it is a really nice size bag, and it has a good amount of room in the bottom here, which means that a lot can fit into this bag. I'm going to try to press it out as best I can here. And it is a zipper bag. So really, really with the rose gold that says IPSY on the tag. So that is the first item that's in here, and it's never part of the count. And with the $30 mystery bag, I did not end up paying any additional handling fees or anything. I simply paid $2.10 in tax. So I got this to my door for $32.10, and it says that I saved over $158. So let's see right up close what is in here. And the first item is the one that they mentioned was from Chella. And with Chella, I have only received the quads that I've always was grabbing for myself because I've been impressed with this brand. And this, I think, is the first time that I'm getting a full size of this brand in my box. And it is beyond stunning. This is the limited edition. It's called a Divine Purpose Eyeshadow Palette. This is one that came in this box here. And on the back, those are the colors that are there. I'm going to show it to you up close. I have swatched with you Chella on my channel so many times. It is a beautiful, beautiful formula. It is perfect. You don't have to worry about fallout. You don't have to worry. The color that's in the pan is the color that shows up on your eyes. And what's great about this one is there's more mattes than shimmers. So the top one is the shade that I always use all over my eye to set my primer. And then these three are those perfect three shades that are those glimmer shimmers, that they're not glittery. And these are the three tones that I always seem to gravitate for, including one that's more of a maroon color, is my center of my eye if I want to do a pop of a shimmer in the middle of my eye to just give my eyes a little bit more pop. Then these shades on the bottom here, three of these are standards. You have your milk chocolate, your dark chocolate, and your black. And here we have that pop of color blue, which just is stunning also. But even if you're not a girl that wears any blue, everything else in this pan, if you just cover it, is a color that you would use. So this is very, very much a neutral tone palette with a pop of color. And like I said, I've swatched Chella on my channel so many times for you guys. And like I said, I have so many quads on this. I'm gonna have to make a decision what I'm gonna do with this palette, because if a lot of the shades are similar to the ones that I have in the quad, this will go into my gift area. The next one is one that I just received in another one of my boxes, and it is from Beauty for Reals. I'm gonna leave this one packaged up as well. And I pulled it out from my stash. I haven't even had the opportunity to try these yet, but I have used other Beauty for Real eyeliners, and these were both in the exact same colors. One is in the shade that is called NightFever, and the other one is called HeavonsDoor. And this is a creamy color, and I'll swatch these with you for you because they are from my stash. And this is that perfect if you want that in your inner line, and the Beauty for Real stays exactly where you put it. So that's what's great about it. And a lot of girls like to use this in their inner rim to help whiten up and make their eye look bigger. That used to be a trick I used years ago. But also, if you want more of that smokier look in the inner rim, you can also use this black, or you can use this as a simple black eyeliner wherever you want. But what I'm trying to say is these colors are also good for in the rim, and I find that they stay as well. So that is what the two colors look like there. So like I mentioned, this was from my stash. This brand was one that I could not wait to share with you guys. This is from this brand called Carmella. And I introduced myself to this brand when this brand was showing up in the add-on section. And I ended up picking up a couple of colors. And it was just when in the United States, they got for the first time ever a female VP, and her name was very similar to this brand. So it made me say, I gotta try this. It's just the right time for a new brand to come out that's called Carmella. And this is Carmella with a K. And it just reminded me of like everything, just the timing of it. This color, I'm not sure if I have either, so I'm not gonna swatch this one. This is what the color looks like here. But what's beautiful about this packaging, and I've used the other ones often. First of all, this is very high end. It has that KK, you would think this was like a Kim Kardashian type of brand, but it also has that magnetic closure, so you don't have to worry if it rolls around in your purse, the cover will not come off. And they're creamy, they're luxurious. It's a square packaging, which I love with lipsticks. This one is an absolute winner as well. The next one here, and it also came in a full retail box. So if it's something you want to give as a gift also, I think it's an absolute winner. The next one here is one also I'm going to have to check my stash, but this is a brand that I'm also really impressed with, and it's called Feel. And I got the opportunity, I think, to try a lip product from them, and it might be this balm, as well as a moisturizer from this brand too. Really impressed with it. But this one is their vitamin E balm. What's nice about this one, it's a balm, so it's a clear formula that you would put on your lips before you do your makeup, or you could use it at nighttime to help keep your lips moisturized. I love when they have the tilt to it. So if you're the only one using this, this is easy to put it on your lips. But if you share this with others, which a lot of times I do, I'll take a little squeeze, put it on my fingertip, and then place it on my lips so that more people than just me can get the benefits of the product. So that is also an absolute winning product. And then the last item that was in here, I also pulled from my stash. And that's why with mystery bags, I'm always on the fence, because the odds are it's going to be products that I've already had the opportunity to try. However, because of the channel, I'm able to have gifts for others. And what's great about it is the brands that they're putting in these mystery bags just blew me away. This is a Kate Somerville. This is also a very, very expensive brand. And what I love about Kate Somerville is her products. She is very much ingredient driven products. So the ingredients that she put in here, the results that you will get, that's why her prices are usually very high. But when you're part of the IPSY family, you're able to get access to her products. And this one in particular is a really good one. It is called the Exfoliating Glow, and this is the one. This is the moisturizer. And I'm going to show you the one that is from my area. First of all, it has the cutest little happy face on the top. But what's great about this one, if you're a combo girl like me, this is a very lightweight cream. It is green in the formula. And you can see that I've tested, I'm still using what was ever on the top. So you literally just need very, very little. And it is very, very lightweight. It penetrates in really, really easily. I have so many open, and this was sitting in my area to be the next one that I start to really, really enjoy, because I'll try to use sample sizes first, and then if I enjoy the sample sizes, I will then go into these full sizes. But I've been getting so lucky that these full sizes have been showing up in a lot of the boxes. And her brand is one that I have recommended and spent full retail dollars on before. So the fact that we have access to this through the IPSY subscription, I think is mind-blowing. So this is one that I always highly recommend, and it is one that I enjoy myself. So that is in here as well, but this one is from my stash. So what we got in here is absolutely fantastic. We got a eyeshadow palette, we got a lipstick, we got a lip balm, we got two eye pencils, and then this skincare item that is from Kate Somerville, plus the most beautiful bag. So to me, another home run on this mystery bag. Please share with me in the comments down below your thoughts, if you ended up getting this as well, if the bag grabbed you in as well, or was it the value or the brands that they mentioned that were going to be in here. I'd love to know how you made the decision to get it, or maybe wait until you saw someone like me purchase it and have a channel that would be able to open it and show you what's inside. Take care, everybody. Continue to stay safe and well. Make sure to watch all the videos that I'm taking the time to film and get up to you guys. I really hope you appreciate it, because this is really hard to do them one after the other, after the other, after the other. But like I said, I wanted to make sure to get all this information out to you. Take care, everybody. Stay well. See you soon. Bye for now.